Nagabenta ki kubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antonio.
Wis bon isi pai ba ki basmat man pai khबर Antonius menta kadai kapar ka ba khado jong ka nyobot ha ka election ka HDC i bam taksi hanyo surak persa jong ISBT lasata di kelama pra i ba haduk menta ka sang WP na ta ka sebol jong pra kloyo banjap haduk khat prasit ha ki HDC kemudian arpnai tali ki konsumsi ki bajop ki ba kunthop ki mahoti Sning Roy kabar na Selong City kabakan ni kasang NPP kabala penremik yaki jayan ba ni tikirat ba kilang arhut ke CM kata ubah penyat sing CM baru ubah PNCM ubah PNCM usap pendam ha ukatang jang WPP ba strong pilar khajana bana penthor umkra mapat bar ubah PNCM ulasa penlem ha ukatang WPP nanong thmai Padahal sisu ni kita dulu katu ni konsumsi kepala community bakin job dah keseng NPP buat katu ni kisah kongres ni bamenta ka kongres kelajak lama sendan nak kai HDC undang masuk tak bagi dang amenta sisu ya kiwai par kiseng kai UDP ka job hai katu kan ni kijaka aku masuk yong sora bat kiwai beta ka NPP ka job na mau senram nongpo bat jirang Abang Najirang dari UMLI job yang ka Suki MDC. Hanong po ru ka job ka NPP. Temanta ngin pet kan no kijing bun kilama pra ni kijing kita jing pesawat kilawan ka pejungsi pai ba habat kilasap planyak sur ka SBD sur JS Road Selong Gati. Temanta ngin ya pet ya kan kijing job jong ni pai ba ringkat bat kelama. Iru ba ki kandidat ki belada Oke, bilang nak video nanam toh? Mau pulang deh. Oke. Pisau kuno ba pilayo ay kinjom tak sim ni kondo.
Ba siakran ap sabang Hindu sekolah di pada perang tersebut. Ap sabang ada
election constituency number 21 Moklam Degye in the state of Meghalaya hereby certify that on the 24th day of February 2025 declare Shri Lancaster Marbanyang VPP of Muhammad Mosmai to have been duly elected from the said constituency to be a member of the Khas Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in token thereof I have granted to him this certificate of election.
$261. Shri Taurus in 200.
Get up top. Tah. Congrats. Bos terung. Bos terung.
Hai.
Ring main enggak? Ring main siap.
Keren atas.
Apa ring main siap. Oh, gitu.
Shaboy Laisit. Oh,
HGDC election, constituency number 7, Mohammed, the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that on the 24th day of February 2025, declared Saifullah Marwa, PPP, President of Rockland East Constituency, have been duly elected from the said constituency to be a member of the KHADC Council, and that in token thereof I have granted to them this certificate of election.
I, Shri Sylvester Pango, returning officer for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Election Constituency number 18 Maukal Thor Gujarat in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that on the 24th day of February 2025, I hereby declare Shri Strong Pillar Kharjana of PPP Voice of the People Party, resident of Jayaul, Mande, to have been duly elected from the said constituency to be a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in token thereof I have granted to him this certificate of election.
I am returning officer of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council election, constituency number 21, in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that on the 24th day of February 2025, declared Shri Edison Karunur of the PPP, Maulai Montawar Legbo, who has been duly elected from the said constituency to be a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in token thereof I have granted to him this certificate of election.
Come sini kok. Come sini. Yun na betul option tu bisa. Itu bakal keliman tu teman tu kena keli di common platform tu. Option tu lah itu. Tuh, betul ni single kan. Biang tu. Oh, namsam dingyong tu mah. Dingyong ada madan. Madan.
Jangan lupa nama.
Siya matmay beremlet. Rasim tu.
Ay, buat aja mah, mau pakai nggak?
Yang bandit, Chan.
Of the Voice of the People's Party, Lumbasuk Shillong, to have been duly elected from the said constituency to be a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in token thereof, I have granted to him the certificate of election.
Definitely